So, hello to everyone. Hope you are doing well. Now, in this video, I will compare to each other two half-inch drive uh, ratchets. This will be the Gedore and another. It will be Falken. These are the ratchets. So let's take a close look. This is Gedore half-inch ratchet. The part number here you can see, and made in Germany. And this is the Falken ratchet I have showed you in my previous videos with whole set, also made in Germany, also half-inch in drive size. So guys, the ratchets are absolutely different. At first, also these are the sockets. One is Gedore long and one is Falken. 22mm half-inch sockets. I choose them only to put them on the ratchets and show you how the final total construction will be look and work. So at first you can see that Gedore is longer, and this is the first plus for Gedore. Also, the heads are not similar. The Gedore is narrow than the Falken, and here it is the 2 plus of Gedore for Gedore. Then let's take a look about the switches itself. Both have the metal switches, forward and reverse. And Gedore one is more smoother than Falken one. So the third 3 points for Gedore. This is the third plus for Gedore in this comparison video. Here is where the Falken gets first point because the Gedore is thicker. You can see here the Falken head is thinner. That's why 3-1. And of course the main shafts, I prefer the Falken main shaft because it looks more heavy duty than the Gedore flat shaft, which I personally don't like. I prefer round shafts. And at least the heads itself, here the additional point for the Gedore because it has torque screws inside and you can easily access on it, where on Falken you need some snap ring pliers to remove that part and grease the ratchet. For the whole shot, at this moment it is 4-2 and Gedore is ahead. Now the main difference between them is the teeth. Falken has 72 teeth inside and Gedore has 16 teeth inside. So here the Falken has 1 point and Gedore 0. So the whole shot is 4-3, and also now Gedore is a little bit ahead. Now about the handles. Here both ratchets will get 1 point because both of them sit in my hand very securely, and I like very much the handles which have the rubber and the plastic combination. So 5 points for Gedore in overall and 4 points for the Falken. Now let's attach the sockets on the ratchets and see how the construction will be look in overall. Gedore socket on Gedore ratchet. And it wobbles, yes. and when I shake it, it deserves the noises. Not very secure fit, but look is amazing and I feel the quality also. Let's put the Falken socket on the Falken ratchet, and it also wobbles, and when I shake it deserves the noises as well. So guys, let's combine now the sockets. Gedore on Falken. Same result, wobbling and noisy fitment. And Falken socket on Gedore ratchet. Also same result, wobbling and noisy fitment. So here no of the ratchets will get the points because I don't like very well the fitment of the sockets on them because they wobble. Guys, and the last thing, it is the price, and it is the comparison aim where Falken has 1 point and Gedore 0. So the whole shot will be 5 for Gedore and 5 for Falken. Gedore Ratchet costs about 14 euros new from Germany, and the Falken Ratchet I have got with whole set. I gave 42 euros for whole set. So the price is absolutely real that the Falken has the better price than the Gedore. Also, if I will need some flex head ratchets, this is my go-to. This is also Gedore 72 teeth half-inch drive ratchet. I have done a lot of job with this ratchet and it is simply perfect. I like it very much. So guys, as I already mentioned, the final score is 5 for Falken and 5 for Gedore. Which is better for you? You will decide it. Both are German-made ratchets. Gedore has German look, more German look, because it is satin finished and roof finished. The Falken have a more modern look. It is more shiny finished. Which is better? Go and decide yourself. Of course, if you are professional, you will go with Gedore, but for me, 5 versus 5 points, and that's why both of them are very good choices. So this was a little video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please stay tuned and many videos will come soon. Goodbye and thank you very much for watching.